Magandang araw, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang absolute value. Pero bago yan, mag-plot muna tayo ng point sa ating number line. So, gumawa na ako dito ng number line at lalagyan natin to ng numbers. So, we have here 0. Ang numbers sa kanan ng 0 ay puro positive numbers. So, we have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, 4, and 5. Sa kaliwa naman ng 0 ay mga negative numbers. So, we have here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, at negative 5. Ulitin ko, ang number na nasa kanan ng 0 ay puro positive numbers at ang numbers sa kaliwa ng 0 ay puro negative numbers. So, let us begin. So, let us plot the following numbers. So, we have here the given. Plot the following points. So, for number 1, we have A is equal to 2. So, sa pag-plot ng points, hanapin lang natin yung number 2 and then lagyan ng period. And then sa taas, ilagay natin yung letter A. Next naman ay ang number 2 which is B equals to negative 3. So, yung negative 3 ay nasa kaliwa ng ating 0. So, plot natin ang point and then ilagay ang B sa itaas. Next ay C. So, plot ang point and then write C here. And then number 4, we have D equals 5. So, sa kanan siya kasi positive 5. So, lagay natin dito yung point and then we have to write here D. Next is number 5. We have E equals to negative 5. Ang negative 5 ay nasa kaliwa ng 0. So, ilalagay natin dito ang ating point and then you have to write E. Very good. So, tapos na tayo sa ating first activity at bibigyan ko kayo ng isang thumbs up. Ang susunod naman nating pag-uusapan ay ang absolute value. So, we have here the number lines and I have here two givens. Ang tawag dito sa dalawang linya na to, sa symbol na to, ay absolute value. So, kapag binasa natin to, ito ay absolute value of 1, absolute value of negative 1. So, remember, ang absolute value ay tumutukoy sa distansya. Disregard ang direction kung papunta sa kanan, kaliwa, pataas, or pababa. Okay, so we have here positive 1. So, from 0, kung ito ang positive 1 natin, we have 1 unit distance from 0. So, ang sagot natin dito ay 1. And then, if we have here negative 1, from 0, isang unit din siya sa ating negative 1. So, again, ang sagot natin dito ay 1. Ang absolute value ay distance ng number mula sa 0. Ngayon naman ay aalamin natin ang absolute value ng mga given numbers. So, I have here point E with point negative 5. Ang ating B ay negative 3. Ang ating A ay positive 2. Ang ating C ay positive 4 at ang D ay positive 5. So, alamin natin. So, from here, ano daw ang absolute value ng negative 5? The answer is correct. That is 5. So, from here, 5 units lang. So, mula dito, 5 units from 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next naman ay negative 3. So, bilang tayo from 0, 1, 2, 3. So, ang answer natin is 3. Number 2, we have positive 2. So, from 0, we have 1, 2. So, ang answer natin dito ay 2. Number 4 naman is positive 4. So, we have 4 units going to our letter C. And for number 5, we have positive 5. The absolute value is correct. That is 5. Okay, so ngayon naman, aalamin natin kung ano ang mga sagot dito. So, for this one, you have to give the value of the following. For number 1, the absolute value of 0. The correct answer here is correct. So, we have here 0. For number 2, we have the absolute value of negative 8. Correct. That is positive 8. Remember class, we disregard the sign kasi distance ang kinukuha natin. Here we have negative absolute value of 6. Remember, ang absolute value ng 6 ay positive 6. And then, may negative sa labas. So, ang answer natin is negative 6. Next, number 4, we have negative is the absolute value of negative 5. You have here ang absolute value ng negative 5 ay 5. Pero may negative ulit sa labas. So, ang sagot natin dito ay negative 5. And then, we have here negative 2. Ang absolute value nito ay 2. Plus, ang absolute value ng 8 is 8. So, you have 2 plus 8. You have here 10. Okay? So, those are the answer for number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. Now, let us compare the following using the following symbol. So, we have here greater than, less than, or equal to. So, for number 1, we have absolute value of 7 is blank absolute value of 5. So, ang absolute value of 7 ay positive 7. Absolute value of 5 is positive 5. So, ang answer natin dito ay correct. That is greater than. Okay? Next, negative, the absolute value of negative 3. Blank, the absolute value of 5. So, anong sagot natin dito? Negative absolute value of negative 3. The correct answer is negative 3 dito, blank 5. So, negative 3 is correct, less than. Next, for number 3, we have negative, the absolute value of negative 6. So, ang sagot natin dito ay may negative sa labas. Absolute value of negative 6 is negative 6. So, ang sagot natin dito ay equal. So, number 4 is 9 is greater than 10.